Welcome members, today we are going to see series. Series are derived from sequences. I think you know what a sequence is. A sequence is when there is something common they are adding from one term to another. So, for example, if you have this sequence, it's that from here up to here, they are adding a 3. From here also up to here, they are adding a 3. Meaning that you can relate other terms of the sequence using the idea that from one term to another, they are adding a 3. So when I add here 3, I'll be adding 10. When I add here 3, I'll be adding 13. So you can complete that sequence. Now, when you add the terms of this sequence, what you generate is what we call a series. So always, series are derived from sequence. How? When we add terms of a sequence, what we generate is a series. So that when I add these terms, I have this, and this is what we call a series. Now, this something I'm adding one is that 4 minus 1, I get 3. 7 minus 4, I get 3. 10 minus 7, I get 3. So that's what we call the common difference. And if you get a difference between the consecutive terms, you get the same thing. Now, how do we generate terms of an AP? Always the first term is denoted by U1, which is always A. So A is the first term of an AP. Then, if you want to get the next term, you get the first term plus what we call the common difference. So you see that to get one, if one is the first term, to get the second term, you get this plus the common difference, you get 4. So if that common difference I add it on the first term, I'll be adding the second term. To get the third term, I'll get the second term. Instead, this is the second term. Then plus the common difference, I'll be adding this. To get the third term now, I need the fourth term. I'll get the third term. Then plus the common difference, I'll be adding this. To get the fifth term, I'll get the fourth term plus the D. I'll be getting this. Now look here. You see that always if I have the third term, this is always a 2. The fourth term, to get the coefficient of D, you reduce this by 1, you get 3. If this is 5, the coefficient of D, you say 5 minus 1, you get 4. So always the trend is, third term, the coefficient is 2. Fourth term, the coefficient is 3. 50th term, the coefficient of D is 4. Now from here, we can generate other terms. Because it's the 60th term, it means that the coefficient is going to be, the coefficient of D is going to be 6 minus 1. You see that A is constant now. So my 6th term will be A plus. Then if this is 6, I subtract 1, I have 5B. To get the 7th term, I get A, then plus 7 minus 1, that is 6, to be the coefficient of D. Meaning, now I can get the nth term. It will be A, then plus, to reduce this, I get now N minus 1 into D. This nth term is also called the last term, which is denoted by N. So, slash last term. So from here we can find our A is always the first term, our D is called the common difference, and then our N, number of term. So from there, the question is how do you get our D? Always our D is given by a term minus the term before it. So it's that to get the common difference, always get a term then minus the term before it. So a term before it minus 1. So that's it. How are the examples? Find the common difference, the first, fourth, and 8th terms of the following. So from here, you can see that we can easily get the first term. Our first term, U1, which is always A, is that this one is already 2. My second term, now I want to get the common difference. So that my D will always be, we say a term minus a term before it. You start here, we shall be adding the 2. Then if you get 6 minus 4, which will be the same as also D can be 6 minus a term before it, which is 4, still will be 2. Those two terms should be consecutive. Now, I have got my A, then the D, then I can get to the fourth term. My fourth term, you know that if it's the fourth term, it's always A plus 3B, which will be my A, the first term, which is 2, then plus 3 into my D, I've seen it's 2. So this will be 6 plus 2, that will be an 8. So that's how I get the first term. Then to get the eighth term, my eighth term 8 will be 8 plus, now because it's the 8, now the coefficient of 7, b is going to be 7. My a will be 2, then plus 7 into 2, because my common difference is 2. So this is 14 plus 2, which will be a 16. Now when I come to this, it's like my first term, it's like this is the first term now. So my a is 5. Then the common difference is we get this, then minus the term before it, which will be a negative 3. Even if you get this minus this, so you can also get the d by saying negative 1, then minus the term before it, which is 2, and I think it will also be a negative 3. So to get now my first term, the one that get the first term, my first term will be n plus 3b. My n, this time is 5, then plus 3 into my b, which is negative 3. And you see, this time this will be negative 9 plus 5, which will give you a negative 4. Then the eighth term, u8, will be a plus 7b. You have everything, so from here I have your a as 5 plus 7 into negative 3. This will be 21 plus 5, I think that will be adding a negative 16. So that's how you can handle that. Now when you come to this, now we start this one is a number which is dealing with logarithms. So our first term is here, our first term here, you see this is natural log of 2 is our first term. Then the common difference we say, you get this minus this, so natural log of 4 minus natural log of 2. But remember, these are logarithms. If you are subtracting logarithms, it's the same as dividing. So 4 over 2, our common difference is natural log of 2. So the property of logarithm, if I'm subtracting 2 logarithms, it's the same as dividing. And divide that, that's what I get. Then, to be able to come and get now my fourth term, it will be now a plus 3b, which will be my a, is natural log of 2 plus 3 into my b, natural log of 2. So this would be natural log, when I add, this is 1 plus 3, I'll be adding 4, natural log of 2, which will be, now this is properties of logarithms, this one can come here, so I'll be adding natural log of 2 power 4, which will be natural log of 16, will be that number. So please, you can come and calculate the eighth term, which will be a plus 7b. So calculate for me that one. Now this one, we see that our a will be a 3, then our b will be 3.5, then minus 3, which will give us 0.5. I think you can get the fourth term and the eighth term. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.